to PDF Maker. Today I am going to show you our latest integration with Freshworks. First, go to Settings. To connect with Freshworks, fill out these two fields. First is domain name, second is API key, and then click on the Freshworks button, Connect button. As you can see, Freshworks is successfully connected. Go to Create and template name. Select Freshworks as data source. Click Next. As you can see, all the placeholder of deal are fetched. You can use these placeholders in the document. Click on Save. To generate a document, go to Fresh Sales, select a deal, select the PDF Maker app. Here you can see all the created templates. So in our case is Fresh Sales template. You can give a custom document name from the fields. So I'm selecting ID and just click on generate. After generating the PDF attached in the attachments of the deal. This is the generated PDF. Thank you.